I just got this cat scratching post for Tiger, so let's check it out. So here's everything that comes in the box. We got the base, the bottom scratching post, the strap scratching post, the leaves and ball, the gap cover caps, the hardware, and the instructions. So the first thing to do is grab the bottom base and the bottom scratching post and screw this in together from the back side. And we're gonna be using this big washer and the biggest bolt. Just like this. And now it's time to install the second post right here. And we're gonna be using this long screw and the large gap cover cap. Just like that. And now we do the same thing for the top part. Now the last thing to do is just to fan out these leaves. And there it is. So the leaves look a lot nicer too. And I also folded them outwards so it looks a little bit more natural. And by the way, since this is also combinable, if you get other parts, you can also attach other things to it around these four corners. And you get other screws, other bolts that come with it. And then here's what the bottom side looks like with that. So this is Tiger up close to the camera, and I thought this part was really funny. After he groomed himself a little bit, he finally turned around and looked at the giant tree, and of course just does a big hop, gets all the way to the top and starts biting those balls. It was really cute to see. And there he is again, just going for the tree, this time scratching it, and he goes all the way to the top. So this is a tall guy, and this is also a tall tree, but it's nice to see that he likes it. So yeah, that's a quick look at the palm tree cat scratching post.